Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. This is an overview of one of my stock picks, Baozun, which provides e-commerce solutions. In terms of performance, this stock today was up 31%. Past week, it was up 28%. Past month, 34.9%. Past 3 months, up 64.4%. Past year, 229%. And past 5 years, 348%. As I mentioned, this company provides e-commerce solutions, including IT infrastructure, store operations, online store design, visual merchandising, digital marketing, customer service, warehousing, and fulfillment. And essentially, this is the Shopify of China. They provide services to different customers in different industries, including fashion, digital, automotive, appliances, food, home, fast-moving consumer goods, just to name a few. And you probably recognize their brands such as Nike, Calvin Klein, Guess, Samsung, Microsoft, Huawei, Honda, Shell, Philips, Panasonic, Starbucks, Haagen-Dazs, Burger King, and that's just some of the companies on the website. I'm going to jump over to Yahoo Finance. So in terms of statistics, you can see that the market cap is 2.636 billion. This is a small cap company, and it's pretty risky play. PE ratio is 144, which is pretty high, but it's a growth company that I believe in long term. And I believe it's a long-term hold. So if we look at the earnings, it's either met the estimate or it has beat the estimate. So you can see right here, actual versus estimate. It met the estimate. Here, it beat the estimate by a lot. And you can see right here, here are the recommendation. It's a buy rating, but I don't really listen to this. It's definitely do your own research. This is just a description of it. Now looking at the valuation measures, market cap 2.64 billion, trailing PE 144.77, which is really high, but forward PE is 26.06. Some financial highlights. Profit margin is 3.21%. It's becoming more profitable gradually. And income statement, see the revenue is 607 million. Year over year quarterly revenue growth is 18.8%. And it's definitely profitable. 211 million. And then quarterly earnings growth year over year is 11.7%. Balance sheet has $80 million versus their debt. They're in $27 million debt. And note this is these are dollars in Chinese currency. that is all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.